let's get straight to it. 2003 Cadillac Escalade. This is a 6.0 liter engine. I'm gonna remove this piece right here. So there's a hose clamp right here on this side to get off, and there's a hose clamp right here. So if you loosen both of those, then you can pull this off of here like that. And then once this side here is loose, you can pull this side off as well. Then you can just pick it up and remove it. All right, let's get this fan shroud up. There's two 10mm bolts. I already removed them. There's one here and there's one down on that end. And then there's 4 of these clips. So there's two on this side. There's one there and there's a hole there. So I already removed those. And then there's 2 on this side as well. So there's one here and then there's one there. So I already removed all 4, so now I can get this up and out. Once that fan shroud is up, now we can see our fan, our belt, and everything. So let's get the belt off. Here's the tensioner right here. This is a 15mm. Let's hook it up and then we'll go clockwise with this to loosen. All right, so I got a simple 15mm, just clockwise, just like that. You can see the belt is loosened. So very important, remember your belt diagram on here before removing this. That way, once it comes time to getting this back on, you won't be confused. All right, so let's go ahead and remove this belt. So fortunately, we have the belt diagram here. It's kind of hard to see because it's faded, but you can kind of make it out for the most part. So now we can go ahead and put our belt back on here. So remember, we got a belt diagram right here. So let's go ahead and get this belt back on. All right, just like that, very easy. We got our belt back on. You can see how that belt is routed right there. And once again, we just got a 15mm, and this is just a small wrench, nothing crazy. And get that, and you can go counterclockwise and get that loosened, and you can get this belt on there. So very easy, get that belt back on.